Hey YouTube, and welcome to my channel. My name is Geneva. Thank you so much for being here. In today's video, I'm going to bring you guys along as I style my dining room for Halloween. Can you guess the theme? If you didn't, it's ghost. So that's what we are up to today. Thank you for stopping in and watching this video. On my channel, you can expect to see lifestyle content, travel, beauty, all that kind of great stuff, whatever I'm up to at the moment. And right now, I want to get my dining room all cute for the season. So let's go ahead and decorate. Okay, so right now we're in my library, which is adjacent to the room that we're about to decorate the dining room. In this bin that I have right here, if you watched, or if you didn't, I did a video hauling all of my Halloween products. So it has the detail with the price and where everything is from. So I just put everything in this bin, and this is all of the goodies that we're gonna be starting with. So table runner, all kinds of cute stuff. And then the other thing is that I grabbed some bats from Amazon. I'll try and have those linked. My mom and I created a DIY. We did little ghost chair covers. So I'm really excited to put those on the table and see how it turns out. So let's go ahead and get started. I think I'll do the chair covers first and then do like the table run and all that kind of cute stuff. Come along with me to create ghost chair covers. First stop was to head on over to Walmart so we can grab some fabric. I cannot believe I got this for only $1.50. I then headed over to Target so that way I could grab pillow covers. These are all the supplies that you're going to need. I then created a template for the eyes that we used. I was going back and forth about whether or not it needed a mouth, but I decided ultimately that it didn't. My mom, on the other hand, decided that she wanted to sew the eyes on, and I love how they turned out. We did both the front and the back. Be sure to tag me if you create this. Okay, so I laid out everything. These are the dollar store plates that my mom and I used her Cricut and put Spooktacular on. These are the little ghost plates from Target. And so this is I just took everything out and set it on the table so I know exactly what I'm working with so that way I can set up. But so far, like the ghost chairs, I am loving them. And my mom did them on both sides. So yeah, they're so cute. Okay, so let's go ahead and finish. Here are the stacking pumpkins. My mom used her Cricut and she wrote Boo on it. So they look like this. They come in a set of 3. Here's the base. Oh, you guys can't see me putting that together, huh? Let me move over here. Okay, so here's the base. Here's the Boo. There's the Boo she put on with the Cricut. So it just snaps on. Snaps on like that, and this is the top. There we go. How stinking cute is that? And I'll just put this on the table. Okay, so here is the completed table, and I absolutely love how it turned out. And the ghost chair covers definitely added that extra pizzazz, but here is a look at the finished product. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you like how I decorated for Halloween. Be sure to come back every Sunday for a new video. Consider subscribing to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you like how it turned out. All right, I will catch you guys next Sunday. Have a great day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.